All right, Subaru update. It's day 5, I think it is. Everyone say what up to Drago. It's his favorite thing to do is chew on the empty little boxes. Anyways, so what we got today? A lot of prep stuff. I decided to give the quarter a day, give myself a day off from that. That was driving me nuts. We do have a game plan though, just a quick little update. So we're gonna run this off of this line here. You see the bottom line. We're gonna run it off of this dog leg, and then kind of flare it out so that way it matches the bumper. We think that's the best solution for what we're dealing with, and we'll get to that tomorrow. But for today, so we've got all the parts here. Basically, almost everything that's come off the car right now, prepped up. So this new plastic stuff, like the skirts, the lip, and the front bumper, basically just a scuff. We'll scuff them pretty good, red scuff pads, and then I'll do adhesion promoter, sealer, and then our base coat, clear coat. For these other parts, they're pretty good condition, except for the hood scoop. But these little inserts that go on the bumper, and then these little fog light covers, those will get a little bit of there's a couple chips on them is basically all it is. There's really only like one or two. And this stuff I don't like to sand down super aggressive because obviously it's soft compared to metal. That's same with the hood scoop. So the hood scoop, there's a couple big chips. I'll fill those and then we'll prime that. These won't get primed; those get sealed because, like I said, they're pretty minor. Um, the new stuff, like I said, scuffed and sealed, or scuffed, adhesion promoter, sealed. Fenders, same thing. These basically just got scuffed. I'll finish these with probably like maybe 600 wet. There's some glue on there that was pissing me off, but these are all good, pretty much good to go. There's no, these are brand new, so they are in good condition. Surprisingly, usually these come with a little bent corner somewhere, but these seem to be a-okay everywhere. So the main thing today was getting this hood. So the hood obviously was used, good condition as far as body wise, but no matter what hood you have, you're gonna have rock chips. So there's 1,000 rock chips up here, and rather than doing some kind of filler or something like that, I'm just gonna sand it down like I did here, and then we'll give a nice good coat of primer, and then guide coat, block that, and make sure we don't miss any. There's a couple significant ones, like that one's pretty deep, and then there's one deep one right here, a couple little low spots here and there, but like I said, taking it down like this, we eliminate 90%, if not higher, of all the chips and defects that was in this hood. It was also, the paint was shot, so wanted to get all that off there. That way we don't have any issues when we go to do our paint. The underside, I got that all prepped up as well, so that was cleaned up because obviously it gets all greasy and nasty, and then sanded. That'll just get sealed and painted, so won't get primed underneath there. But so yeah, that's the idea. Getting the stuff ready for primer that needs to get ready for primer. Getting the stuff ready for paint that needs to get ready for paint, and we're cooking now, man. So tomorrow, like I said, I will do the quarter, get this hopefully wrapped up. I can't guarantee I'll get it finished fully. I didn't prep the bumper today because we still need that to test fit, and so I just didn't want to fuss with it. And I still have to get the hatch and the spoiler off, but that's pretty much it. Doors have to come off. Shouldn't say that's it because there's always more shit. But so yeah, hopefully tomorrow I can get this damn close to being ready for primer. That's the goal. Get these doors off, get the doors prepped, door handles out, door handles taken apart, mirrors off, mirrors taken apart, and get that stuff prepped. If I can get all that done tomorrow, that would be great. It is Sunday tomorrow, so we'll see. It's going to be nice. So I might just be sitting in the sun, man. I don't know. But I'm cooking on this thing, and I'm excited. I'm glad that the quarter customer came, and we talked about it for a little bit. I'm glad we're on the same page with this. So that was a little bit of a stress. The last video, I think it was, where I was like dealing with this, and yeah, it just becomes like one of those things where you're like, dude, I'm dealing with problems and I'm trying to make them right, but it's 5 times more difficult than if I had done the original fix. But I'm picking up where someone left off. But enough of that. I talked about the quarter enough in the last video. Yeah, that's about it, man. Like I said, good progress. I would assume at some point in time next week I will be painting. How much I'll be painting, I am not sure. But like I said, parts are ready, but I'm not gonna shoot. I'm not gonna shoot some stuff and then have it waiting. I kind of want to, once I start the paint process, be painting every day for a few days, because we'll have probably 2 days of parts, maybe 3, and then obviously a day for the body. But we'll see. We'll see how it goes. Um, that's about it, man. That's a little short and sweet video, 5 minutes. Like I said, this was a big concern because this is obviously what everyone looks at when they go right up to the car. This and the doors. So we want this to look good. Having the new parts makes the job a lot easier, especially stuff like fenders. You know, they're cheap enough, man. Just get new ones. You know, so yeah. So, anyways, that's it. I'm gonna get cleaned up because I'm filthy. I will catch y'all on the next video. Say what up to Drago in the comments. And we'll catch y'all tomorrow. Peace.